Hell yeah, man. We at Mountain Creek, man. You wanna take a left? Kenny! Ew! Yeah, Mountain Creek, we're here on the slowest lift of all time.
So I got a stack of tapes, got a name and maybe date. They're gonna be worth something someday. That is if I pop that song, just about 3 minutes long. About how you done me wrong or make the outrage say. And if before my time, I decide to take my life, we can take these treasures and pull them up into light. Make every song a gem, take every one of them, release a collection of cacophonic hits.
Hell yeah, man.
And remix.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
And remaster my disasters. Our first draft words and never before heard acoustic takes its yours. From the shoebox to the online store. Bury me in analog. Pull the reels up, nearly burn that waterlogged. And release it, they bought it, you sold it, got nothing for everyone. They bought it, you sold it, got nothing for everyone. And when it goes out of print, you can then reissue it. Trade off the publishing rights to the highest bid, to a queen or king of pop, sell revolution off. It's an investment, man, I can't make this stuff up. And the brands I leave behind will party every night and sleep all day till 5 and live the trust fund life. And they'll call the radio, complain and curse them about how everybody thinks it's cake to live this way. In my grave will be showered with the latest in a flower power. And the freaks will drive by my street and cry and sing and dream and listen to the new CD. Bury me in analog, take the student, you can have it auctioned off. Couple thousand, they bought it, you sold it, got nothing for everyone. They bought it, you sold it, got nothing for everyone. Bury me in analog, every paper that I ever scribbled on is a treasure chart, topper, bestseller, yeah, it'll be yours to take and buy it and sell it. It's all garbage anyway. Thieves and the suckers have all gone out to play.
You play the guitar?
Yep.
Really? Yeah, sick hoodie though. Oh, it's up. No.
What did Mac Dilly eating? Are we still feeling? Oh my God, yo, okay. It has been a long day here at Mountain Creek. We have done tricks, we have done tricks. We have been snaked 100 times. There's too many people, there's too little people, there's too many people. We went to Bear. Bear was icy, they got jumps, they got hell raced. It's been crazy, man. It's been a crazy adventure. It's been a crazy day. I mean, that's all I gotta say. My feet, my kneecap, I need CBD for that. We need a CBD sponsor for my kneecaps. Codename Kenny for 5% off hemp base wax for your snowboard. If you don't subscribe, unsubscribe, but if resubscribe, then pro subscribe. Send me $10. Thank you. Bye.